Okay, there. Now we're live again. No more PC troubleshooting for now. Gosh, that was the second time that happened. Honestly, didn't think that was gonna happen, but it happened. Okay, there we go. Okay. We're up and running again. Yes, that's right. I was gonna grab my pfSense here, and we're gonna copy that to downloads. There we go. The stream crashed. Now we're back online. Let's give it 25. There we go. Oh wait, that's right. I forgot to add another neck to it, because one of these is going to be our LAN. Now then, can I add another neck to this? another network. Yep, same one. Finish. Let's actually reboot this again. Yeah, I just needed to fix that. There we go. What do you mean it didn't boot? Oh. Of course it didn't boot because there was nothing. Now let's see the options. There, now it should boot correctly. No, we don't want that. Why are you putting that? Okay. We want the DVD. What do you mean no bootable device? Really? Okay, that's odd. Force it off. Delete, yes, delete the data. Yeah, don't worry about it. The Windows, customize that. PF sends firewall. Okay, finish. Now I need another neck for this. Oh no, don't do that to me now. Thank you. Neckware. Yeah, 2 necks. Oh wait, no. Is this really gonna crash on me? There we go. Literally what we needed. It's all that we freaking needed. That's that. Yep. Install. Do it out. Stripe. No redundancy. Select it. Okay. Destroy. And that was fast. Reboot it. Okay. Now we need to configure it. Okay. Once we configure it, we can connect it to a virtual machine. What we're doing here now is, so we're configuring a firewall. We're installing it, and then we're gonna configure it and connect it to a virtual machine Windows and add a VLAN to it. That's basically what we're going to be doing right now. Okay. Okay, awesome. So I grab an IP. So, okay, did it automatically. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm able to access it. I don't think I can access it from here. I'll give it a try. It shouldn't work. Oh, it worked? No. What's that? PD Anderson. Interesting, didn't know this exists. Oh, you didn't, oh, PF Sense you mean? If you mean about PF Sense, it's an open source firewall. You can build it yourself, or you can buy already pre-configured devices from their site. Okay, so now that that's configured, I need to access it. So I gotta turn on the other machine, turn that one on. Oh, no, wait. Force it off. I need to connect where it's running off. So I need to change the NIC. Yeah, we can do like that. NIC, it's using the same one. Okay, yeah, this is the same network, so this one should work. It shouldn't give it any issues, so I'm gonna turn that one on. You should be able to access it by the LAN IP, since I can't do it from here. So we're gonna have to do it more directly. Okay. Now this should have grabbed an IP from that LAN. No, it didn't. Okay, that's fine. First off, remove IPv6. I don't want to use that. Network. I want to do this more managed from my style. Take this off. I really don't want that. Now we go again. IP config. Okay, there we go. And now let's change. Let's release it. Let's release that. Now we have no service. Now let's renew it. If it worked, we should grab the LAN. Okay, there it is. It grabbed the LAN IP. Perfect. That's what we needed. So now we can just configure the pfSense. 192.168.1.1. And there we have it. We're in the pfSense. Verticals. Yep, perfect. Minimize that. Now I think the default username was admin and the default password is pfSense. There it is. Yep. The setup wizard, because I actually want to put this machine on a VLAN, so I actually want to separate this. So first up, we're not going to configure that. Yep, go on next. The host name, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna just keep it as PF and firewall. Actually, PFFW. And for domain, let's give it home firewall. .local. DNS server. Oh, we'll leave that default. Pool, yeah, leave it like that. I don't want to change the MTP. The WAM, we can leave it dynamic for now. We'll change it later. Yeah, we can leave everything here as default. Now the LAN IP. I'm gonna put a private one. Let's put like a custom one. Let's put this one instead. I know once I do this, I'm gonna lose service. Let's do a random one. 10, 50, 25, and we can enter by number 100. Let's open the notepad so I don't forget what it is. And next. Now this should just... Oh, it didn't kick me out. Okay, now let's just put a simple password for it. There we go. Sweet. Now let's reload it, and now here I'm gonna lose service. Now if I'm sure, this should now change IPs. It still hasn't changed. That's alright. It should change. You can see we successfully log in. It does show us that. Ah, there it is. There's the IP now. 105025. So it took the change, but I don't think it took it here. So it took the change there. Now let's see if it will take it here. Let's just release this again. And now we can just renew it. Now we should grab a new IP from the newly one that we just configured. And there it is. Home firewall.local, and we grab 109. Okay. So we can now access the new LAN with the new IP. 10, 50, 25, 100. Awesome. Now we're putting the username, which is that default, and the password that I just gave it. And we can see a successful login there. Awesome. And now this is running. Put this in full screen. I don't want to save it now. Now the next thing, that's right, I am gonna make a VLAN for this. Okay, oh yeah, that's right, do we have any updates to give the system? We should have updates because this is a old version that I have here. Okay, yeah, there is an update, so I do want to give it that. Okay, here it is. Now let's give it the update to the PSN so we can start making a VLAN for it. I don't think I could do a VLAN on Virtual Manager due to the settings that it has, but I could just try it. View Manager, connection details. I did have multiple virtual networks. I could connect that one and then maybe make a new one. No, that would be more confusing for what I want to do. So let's just wait for this to finish. It should take a little bit of time before we updated it and give it a VLAN. It's almost done. This should work. It shouldn't give us a lot of issues. Okay, there it is. The system is rebooting. Okay. Now we just wait for that to finish and we should be alright. Okay, just gotta wait for this to finish and I can start running the VLANs. Oh, I can see I lost service. Then that means, no wait, that means this is still rebooting on this side. Yep, there it is, it's rebooting. Let's actually put that side by side so we can see that. Okay, it's taking the changes. It's almost done. We still don't have service on this. It's also run a pin. If we get a reply, then we should already have service. It says 20 seconds left. It shouldn't take that long. We still don't have reply. that's almost booting up. Okay, now it's rebooting the system. And 3-0. Oh, retrying another. Okay, it took longer. Okay, there. Now the system's actually gonna boot up. It should be a few more minutes now. Yeah, the other side is still saying retrying. It's still saying retrying. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit. Okay, wow, it's still taking, okay, it's almost done. Once that's done, we're gonna put the VLAN. Okay, there we go, we have service. Okay, the LAN, the WAN, okay, perfect. Now it's actually running. Oops, put it on the wrong screen. Yeah, no, we want this over here. Now let's log in here. Admin, the password is set up. Awesome, there we go. We're now fully up to date. We don't need that now. Now, let's do the VLAN. There's our DNS. Awesome, okay, our WAN, some random IP that I put, that's not even private or public, I think that's public that I put there. So we now choose the interfaces, assign, and let's make a VLAN here, add one, and let's do VLAN 12 from the LAN. No priority. This is gonna be a VLAN test. VLAN test. Save that. Okay, there it is created. Now we're gonna go to interface assignments. Now we have it here. Add. And there it is. Here's the VLAN. In this VLAN 12, so I know which one it is. Enable the interface. We're gonna give it a static IP because we actually do want to turn on DHCP server for this, and we're gonna give it the static IP of, let's do 10, 90, 44, 1, 2, 3. Nah, let's do 100. That's gonna be the static IP. And I think we need this in, was it 24 or I don't remember. That's alright, I'll check it later. And now what else? Yeah, that's to be done. Yeah, apply those changes. Now we need to go to the services, DHCP server. I need to switch this to this since this is being depreciated, and apply this. Now go back to the services, the server VLAN 12, enable the server, and yeah, okay, the pool range, 10, 90, .44. Let's do it from range 100, no way, range 50 to 250, nah, 200, yeah, we can put that. DNS, yeah, let's just leave it at DNS. And for domain, let's actually put here VLAN, the VLAN, let's do VLAN network dot local. actually .lan, and save that, apply the changes. Now just give that a few minutes to load. Okay, there it is, it's active. Now we're gonna get out of here, stop this. Yeah, can you stop this please? Okay, clear. Oh, there we go. IP config. You still have that one. I'm not sure. I think I put the VLAN on this, but it should pick it up. If not, then I'll have to change that. Let's release the IP and renew it. Okay, we got service again, and nope, that didn't work. So then we're gonna have to change it on the virtual manager. Settings. I said here that I can add the VLAN settings here. Haven't tried it on this. If I can't do it from here, then I'll need to do it inside the Windows. Now, to anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. If you have any computer issues or problem you want to ask, just say in the chat. Don't hesitate. Me, I'm just fixing my own problems and trying to set something up, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a lot of troubleshooting. Okay, now I think I need to add a hardware for this. Network. No. No, this is not what I need. Graphics. No, this is not what I need. This is not what I need. No. No. USB. No, I don't need that either. This is a PCI. We don't need this either. Okay, looks like we're gonna have to do it on the Windows itself. Okay then, let's just go to Windows, Control Panel, Network and Sharing, Adapter, Properties, Bands. Now there should be a section here called VLAN. Here we go. Packet priority and VLAN. So VLAN enable. Okay, so VLAN is enabled, but that's not, it didn't give me the option to change it. Maybe I already took it. Let's release it. IP config, release that. Let's renew it. Mm, no, it didn't took it. It actually changed back to the Windows 1. Okay, so that means this didn't work. It grabbed the wrong IP. I should have grabbed the other one. So I think I did something wrong here. Configure. And there has to be another section that I missed. I enabled the VLAN there. I need to put the VLAN number. Maybe I just didn't put that. Wait for link. Okay, now it should go back to the other IP. There we go. So it picked back the firewall IP. Okay, it didn't work like that. Another way that I could try to enable it, I could try to do it by MAC address. Okay, let's do by MAC address. ipconfig / I put this in full screen. I can't see it. All the information. Here's the MAC. Let's see if it grabs it by MAC. Okay, statuses, leases. Yeah, we can see the computer there. Okay, so let's so this MAC, what was the IP that we gave the VLAN? I can't remember right now. Okay, here we go, this one. So let's go back to leases, leave a static on it, and we're gonna assign number 54. Windows 10 test. Okay, well that should work. Oh, that's right. Oh, then this is not gonna work. Can I add VLANs on the neck here? Maybe I need to change this. Okay, I could change the type. Honestly, don't remember if this would work. Let's just look that up. No, not Hyper-B. BMM, yeah. No, but you're showing me Hyper-B. Oh, wait, I remember. I know what we could do. We don't need to do that. Let's actually do something more different. Sudo zipper install cockpit. We can use cockpit. Pretty sure I can create a VLAN there. Oh, it's already installed? Oh, okay then. Wait, I don't remember my IP. What's my IP? $23, okay. Yeah. Really? I don't get it. We're supposed to use cockpit. Okay guys, give me a moment. I'm gonna go on a little break. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Mr. Tasteful, you're gonna keep with the feed thing. Actually, okay, guys, something on my side came up. I'm going to resume the stream in a few hours. So I apologize for that inconvenience. I need to resolve some stuff. For a family member, I'll be back to the stream later today. But still, to everybody joining, thank you. I appreciate this a lot. I am going to be continuing where I left off. So as always, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll be back again streaming in a few hours. Thank you again, guys, for joining. Goodbye. Your support means a lot.